Phylogenetic trees, a visual guide to evolution. A phylogenetic tree, also known as an evolutionary tree, is a diagram that represents the evolutionary relationships among various biological species or other entities based on similarities and differences in their physical or genetic characteristics. Key components of a phylogenetic tree: nodes, these represent common ancestors. Branches, these represent lineages or lines of descent. Tips, these represent the present-day organisms or groups. Root, this is the hypothetical common ancestor of all the organisms in the tree. Types of phylogenetic trees. Rooted tree has a single root node representing the most recent common ancestor of all organisms in the tree. Unrooted tree does not have a designated root node, only showing the relationships between the tips. How phylogenetic trees are constructed. Scientists use various methods to construct phylogenetic trees, including morphological data, comparing physical characteristics of organisms. Molecular data, analyzing DNA, RNA, or protein sequences. Fossil record, studying the preserved remains of ancient organisms. Interpreting phylogenetic trees. Branch lengths can represent evolutionary time or genetic distance. Branching patterns indicate how closely related different organisms are. Applications of phylogenetic trees: understanding evolutionary relationships, tracing the history of life on Earth. Classifying organisms, grouping organisms based on their evolutionary relationships. Studying disease transmission, tracking the spread of infectious diseases. Conservation biology, identifying endangered species and prioritizing conservation efforts.